Hey, yo, what's up, Investor Z? All right, man. Man, I missed a good gold long, and now I gotta take a risk on a gold short. Gotta take the risk on a gold short. All right. I mean, honestly, at this point, the market has just been kind of annoying at this point. Yeah, the market's been annoying. All right. So let's see what we can get today. Let's see what we can get today. Yeah, this is not. Chance on a short. Mm. Yeah, I don't think I've had. Yeah, ES is just too much for me. ES is just doing too much. This week has definitely showed me that ES is just not the instrument for me. This is just crazy. All right, so let's look at the Nasdaq. All right, let's look at this thing. All right, so we got the market coming down. Mm. Yeah, they definitely did that shit for strippers. For the strippers. 47.25. So mm, book map for you. Mm. Hey, what's up, Alfred? I mean, this is tough, man. I mean, we just had a big move down on the Nasdaq after this stupid move up. Mm, mm. We just had to break a structure though, but price is still above the 200 EMA. That's tough. This will be a tough trading decision. But I mean, we have a swing and then another break, so mm, 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 yeah, this is gonna be tough. Oh shit, I'm sitting there paying attention. Okay, all right. Mm. All right, so about 213, 213. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure we all know how much contracts were added in the first 15. We have, oh crap, only 63,000. Only 63,000 contracts added in the first 15. All right. All right, so the range is in. The range is official. We're in a downtrend. Buying this thing will definitely be a challenge. Uh damn, do we buy the low a day? Do we buy the low a day? We have yesterday's orb high that never got retested yesterday. Do we wait for the orb? It was up, Cave Trader. Mm. 612. You think buying should be out of the question today? Mm. If we get a deep enough pullback, uh, buys make sense to me. That's but we need a deep enough pullback. I think low of day could be a trap, but we do have this range here. But I mean, I guess we had this range. We have the breakout of the range. We probably hit major resistance. At least we can assume that we have. We're pulling back. You know what? I honestly I want to get long underneath the range. Mm. I want to see what happens when they get. I want to see what happens when they get down to yesterday's orb high. If we can kind of get a good entry on the orb break to the downside or to the upside, I I I don't want to buy this. I don't want to buy an orb breakout because I mean we have a big move. This does appear to be a two-legged pullback into what could potentially be support, but honestly, I don't know, man. But I mean, it definitely can be. I mean, it does appear that it wants to bounce at yesterday's high. So, but I think this could be a trap. At least that's my opinion so far. He wouldn't be fighting this thing. It's like he wanted to fight it instead of going along with it as per freaking usual. You know that shit's not gonna. Mm. God damn. God damn. All right. All right. Well, you can say that shit again. Okay. You can say that again. Uh, mm. You got a trend line coming up? This must have been the trend line from yeah, I might as well just get rid of these trend lines. These are trend lines from a previous chart. So I might as well get rid of them. I'll be trying to fight the damn thing. All right. All right. So I'm going to wait for the orb for yesterday's orb. I'm gonna wait for it. Or I mean, if I can get in, if I can kind of get in right here at the orb high to go short, actually, I'll just do that. Mm. Yeah, I'm looking at gold. I'm kind of upset with myself because I had an opportunity to participate in this long with gold, and again, I passed up on the entry. Everything lined up. It's just that I just didn't take it. I don't know why. I just didn't take it. And in hindsight, it was definitely the trade to take. And I just don't know why. Sometimes I'll look at gold. She'll say, you know, baby, I'm ready for you. And I say, nah, baby, not today. I don't want the easy trade, apparently. I want the more challenging trade, apparently. Because now I have to look for a stressful short, you know, trying to take a pullback trade, looking for a pullback. I got to take a stressful short. I mean, I don't think the Bulls are gonna get this shit up easy, man. When Bulls get regarded, they just get super regarded, and they don't give it up. They just do not give it up. And when they do give it up, it's hard. Mm. You said, is that a blow off top? Uh, I mean, it could be. I mean, it's hard to tell because technically there was really no structure here. I mean, the market has grinded higher. I mean, technically it blew up past this top. So, I mean, I get what you're saying, Cave Trader. I would agree. But again, it's hard to tell because the market is just making all-time highs every second. And until there's structure to confirm it, yeah, yeah. I'm just going to make the assumption that this high right now could be the start of major supply. And I don't believe the market is going to go above this high, at least not right now. So that's the assumption I'm going to make. Um, mm, The Bulls ain't gonna get this shit up easy. So I'm looking at actually I'm looking at the wrong chart on TradingView. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, you usually look at the 15-minute on TradingView to kind of see where the fair value gaps and the breaker blocks are and stuff like that. And actually, let's look at that. I mean, we have the tools. We have tools. Mm. Well, I mean that's interesting. We're still in a positive environment, so that means that the market is going to buy the dip. We're still in a positive environment, but right now the biggest gamma level for or the biggest negative gamma level for the Qs right now is 575. So that's not going to give us too much information there. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, if I'm going to be, that looks like, well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. The Bulls are definitely trying at the low of day. They're definitely trying. Yeah, I'm just going to wait until the market just pushes back up and short it. Because, I mean, even though the market is coming down, the market is still overall bullish. So, yeah, the Bulls ain't going to get that shit up, man. They're not even going to let this shit pull back. Just keep buying the damn thing. Bulls ain't going to get that up. And that's right. Oh my god. All right. All right. And when the market's being like this, market's being like that, trying to suck the energy out of every damn body. Okay. All right. I mean, unless it does that, then it's highly unlikely. Then. All right. So everything. Okay. So it looks like, at least for right now, the move was to buy that low, but I wouldn't. I wouldn't take this short. I wouldn't take that short at all. Mm. So that's pretty clear. Mm. You know, Alfred, I feel the exact same way, man. I feel the exact. I mean, because you got to think about prices right here in this area of support. That's why I was like, I wouldn't short this because we gotta respect the bulls here, man. You gotta respect them until they exhaust themselves. Until they exhaust themselves, it's still bullish. Or it's not that it's still bullish. The momentum is still bullish, and it's just going to be hard to fight against that. So, yeah. You say you just struggle with the long. Yeah, I mean, man, like I said, I mean, this price action is going to be challenging because the market is literally all over the place. The market is making these grinding moves up. You have your FOMO buyers that's going to buy every time it dips. So it's going to be stressful on both sides of the market. But I definitely wouldn't short this though. I'll wait for it to go a little bit higher to short it, because shorting down here would be super stressful. You have little reward and a lot of risk. I mean, this thing can pop right back up. Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Don't let the price action get you down, baby. Oh yeah, this is actually pretty chill right here. Let me save this shit. What's up? All right, come on. This is the kind of music you gotta play to the Nasdaq and to get her in the mood. Be like, baby, you know what you're doing is wrong. Stop being like that, baby. This could have been avoided too. Well, I mean, if we push back into this thing, I think we can at least, well, nah. I can't do that. Because I'm looking to short this thing, and going long here would be a conflict of interest for me. Steven, no. And if I did, I would only trade the Qs and SPY. At one point in time in my trading career, that's exactly what I did, was just trade Qs and SPY. But now I'm mostly a futures trader. I prefer to trade the spot price versus options, and I don't particularly care to trade stocks. But we can actually, I mean, if you have a stock that you want to look at, I mean, we can look at it on stream. I mean, that's no big deal. It's just that I don't personally trade it. Yeah, I'm on a prop firm account. Prop City, baby. But I am treating these prop accounts as if they are my own personal account. So. Come on, baby. Don't be that. You say you scalp long with 7 micros to be safe? You know, the only thing that I don't particularly care for right now, Alfred, is that, I mean, it's just a hold up here. I mean, we could see a little short squeeze higher. Hopefully we do, so I can get my short limit filled. I just don't like all the bullish aggression with no follow through. That's the only thing I don't like. Kind of small. Looks like we're finally getting like a little small push down. A little small push with gold. It's still bullish though. So I mean, if you shorten this, just hate stuff like that. And the ES is going down too. That should be a sign right there. Not to get too aggressive with the longs. The ES is not going nowhere. That was tough, man. You're in long? I mean, like I said, I wouldn't long this, but I'm not saying how to trade your account though. If someone would ask my opinion about going long here, I wouldn't do it. It's a lot of bullish aggression. Oh, gold, no, why? No, 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 no. Oh, no. 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 Why? Why go? You just, oh my God. Oh my God. My account needs to hurry the hell up and lock. It just needs to lock. It needs to lock. It needs to lock. Oh my God, gold. I took a quick gold scalp. and got out at the 200 EMA just for it to do this shit. No. 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 Oh, God, no. I was like, dude, let me just take a quick gold scalp. And I was like, I promise I'll get out at the 200 EMA. I promise. And then she does this shit. I left so much money on the table. Gold. God damn it. All right, my account's gonna lock. It just needs a lock. It needs to lock because this tilt energy is, it's not even tilt energy, it's missed out energy, man. I missed out. Now I could have had that in my account. I could have had that in my account. Man, I just wanted a quick gold scalp, and I was like, dude, let me take a good quick gold scalp, and you know, I'll be good. Damn, gold is like that. Damn. Damn. Because I saw, I mean, so this is what I was looking at. I'll just show you what I was looking at. It popped up above this high and it came back down. So I just went short here. I was like, dude, all I'm looking for is just a 200 EMA. And it hits it and I'm like, okay, cool. And then it does this crap. I'm like, yo, what? What? No, go, no, stop dropping, please. Yo, stop dropping. Yo, what's no. Oh man. Oh man, no. No. No, stop it. Oh, my account needs to lock. Oh, let me lock my account myself. Oh my God, gold. That was dirty. Oh, that was dirty. Oh my God, that was dirty, man. That was dirty. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a pop back up. And I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all know why I took the trade. I mean, it's right here. That's why I took it. It's right there. So let's see. Let's see. This is why gold is my Goldilocks instrument. Like I just love that I can just look out for supply and demand and it just works. But I probably have to trail this. That was a big drop from the highs. That was a really big drop from the highs. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'll keep it here for right now. We'll see. We'll see. And that was a big drop from the highs, man. Damn it. Gold. God damn. All right. Yo, congratulations on that cave traders. I mean, today is definitely one of the more challenging days to trade. Today was definitely challenging. I mean, unless you were able to get lucky and be a part and was able to participate in this move. I mean, it was not easy, man. We have about an hour before we head into lunch. That's what I'm talking about. Gold. Show me the love. Show me the love, baby. Show me the love, baby. I gotta watch how much money I make in this account, though. Well, all right. Hey, if y'all guys are in this long, I wouldn't chase this long. Like I said, I wouldn't scale into this long. Try to stop out for the least amount of loss as possible because this thing could play around a lot. I don't think it's going to super drop unless it does, but it's just going to probably ping pong because we got to remember there's so many bulls trying to buy this thing. But if they fail and exhaust themselves, this thing can just crash out. So just be mindful of that. Say you hope it stops you out. And yeah, this thing can get dangerous, man. Just be careful out here, man. Just be careful. Come on, bulls, keep pushing. Come on, Bulls. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Man, come on, Bulls. Y'all was being real regarded earlier. We need some of that energy right now. God damn, bro. You know what? Oh my God. All right, whatever. Oh, gold. Yo, that's dirty gold. Back to the break even? Back to the break even? Back to the break even, man. Come on, gold. Back to the break even. Gold has definitely been nasty to me for whatever reason. I mean, I guess I could have just taken that, I guess I could have taken the, whatever. I just did not trust the, I just didn't trust the gold short, man. I wish, well, I don't want to wish that. It just would have been nice if the gold short just worked instead of holding up at the 200, because what I didn't want was price to come, the bulls coming right back in at the 200 EMA, and, you know, I have to sit in a short trade that I just wanted to be in a scalp. And, of course, the trades that, of course, those are the trades that work, right? Come on, gold. I mean, you already hurt my feelings. I mean, you already rejected here. I mean, I would have taken 33, but I guess it's neither here nor there, but it's whatever. And the Nasdaq is still just sitting at this range right here, so. All right. I apologize. Oh, K Trader said he's still green from the Asian session. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at this yesterday, and I should have just trusted that trade on the ES. I mean, that ES account. I mean, I've already lost about $1,000 in that account so far. I don't know how I'll be able to come back from that, unless we just have a really big day tomorrow. I mean, there's already people making 3K, whatever. Yeah, there's already people up 3K in this damn account, so. Yeah, ES is just not, yeah, it's just ES, man. I just don't like how it trades. It doesn't trade the same anymore. And I hate that because, you know, I thought that I would do a lot better in this competition trading the ES than I thought. I mean, it's not over, but I thought I would at least have at least $1,000, but I'm down 1,000. Yeah, I mean, so far, Cave Trader, I mean, this is just the range from, you know, yesterday's session that the market has already used as support. So if this holds, we can see a follow through. But like I said, it doesn't look like it's going to hold, though. It really doesn't. There's a lot of bullish aggression with no follow through. We all know that if it's not going to go up, then it's going to go down and vice versa. I mean, we know this. The market has shown us this plenty of times. Aggression with no follow through equals engineered liquidity. So like I said, if you're in this long, I wouldn't try to chase this and try to DCA into it as it goes down, because this is a lot of engineered liquidity. There's a lot of stops underneath that low right here. And all the bears got to do is touch it, and we can get a nice run back down to where the market is trying to attend to go. Like I said, I think the market is trying to get to at least yesterday's orb high. Somewhere in this area. So just be mindful of that. Yesterday's orb high. At least that's where I'm going to enter into a long. Or probably somewhere. I'm gonna enter into a long around like 67, 65. A little bit underneath the range, and you know. I mean, we got this little low right here. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. I might be done. I mean, this gold trade, I mean, she's playing with me right now. She's playing with me right now. So the same thing that the Nasdaq is doing, the ES, I mean, the gold is doing too. So Well, I mean, mm, all right. All right, Gold. Don't be nasty to me here. Don't be nasty to me. You know, the crazy thing is I'm pretty sure all the people that was in this thing short right here. I mean, I'm pretty sure they've already chased it short and gotten their money back, but I know this right here, that pop up and then that drop. So I guess now it's time for the bears to feel the pain. Or not the bears, the bulls to feel the pain now. So we'll see. Let's see. I'm not going to scale into it right here. I mean, I want to scale into it right here at 20 and just let the position ride out. Go. Just don't hurt my feelings here. You said SPY's about to dump in the next 10 minutes? Well, shit, let's look at that. So Steven says that SPY is going to dump in the next 10 minutes. You know, honestly, I mean, I can agree with that. I mean, I do think that the market is about to go a little bit lower. At least here on the Qs, we have a gamma level at 592 that I think the market could potentially react at. And if we look at SPY, well, let's see where the gamma levels are for SPY. Okay. So, I mean, it is at this gamma level right here. We do have a gamma level right here at 659 for SPY. The biggest one is 639, which I don't think we see today. We probably see that tomorrow or Thursday, but I don't think we see that today. So, not financial advice, but the next gamma level for SPY is at 659. We do see 659 puts getting swept. Over $200,000 of contracts. So this could be where the market is targeting. We could see a potential bounce from this gamma level, but you have to take that trade at your own risk for those that are trading options. And we do have dark pool sitting at 657, so it's about a $2 range right here between the dark pool and this gamma level. So I guess if this one falls, then yeah, 659 is 659, 658. But I mean, what I'm also looking at is that, you know, that does make sense. It does make sense. We got a range. We have a small little range right here. We do have a top right here. We do have price breaking out of that. And this gamma level could potentially be a breakout pullback trade. And that'll be something to look out for. So, I mean, it lines up. The thing is having to wait for it. I mean, that's the thing. All right. Well, I'm not gonna lie, because I know you guys are in his short. I mean, this long, but This looks like a short. That looks like a short right there. You say you're looking for. You say you're looking for a long right now. I mean, gold is hurting my feelings with this short, man. She's definitely hurting my feelings with that short. She's hurt my feelings, man. She is hurting my feelings. I took that small short and I missed this. Man, I missed this move. All right, so I'm in this short. Actually, let me make sure that my targets can at least get hit. Because like I said, I'm not looking for. So Steven thinks that the market is going to dump in 1 minute. All right, let's see what happens. Well, Steven, you're getting your dump. If you're in this long, please do not DCA into this. Please don't. This is the bulls exhausting themselves and failing. All right, so the question is, will we get price to bounce at this gamma level at 659 even? Right now, price is at 651.3 on SPY. So let's see if kind of getting mixed data. We're getting mixed data in the SPYs, mixed data in the Qs. Everything is mixed data right now. We're seeing some puts. We're seeing some calls. Oh, dude, like that's fucking crazy. And I took that freaking. Hey, look at that freaking gold short, man. Damn. You're doing this stuff like this. Yeah, don't do nothing different. Probably just we can just get a quick push. And that's what I didn't want to happen. It's okay. I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna chase the Nasdaq. I mean, if it's gonna be nasty like that and do something like that, I'm not gonna chase it. Okay. Okay, well, looks like I cheated myself out of a good position. I guess the reason why I stopped myself out of this early is because I didn't necessarily believe in the location. If it was going to go higher, then I kind of wanted a better location. I was going to stop out here, wait for it to go higher, and then, you know, reshort. But looks like the Nasdaq is going to probably play. You know what? Actually, no. I'm not playing these games with the Nasdaq. I'm not going to play this game. I'm not going to play the game. The bulls are just too aggressive today. They're just too aggressive. They're not gonna let this go. And shorts are going to be stressful. I'm not playing this game with the Nasdaq. I don't have to play this game with her. And I'm not going to. $2.5. Isn't that interesting? I thought I was being cute. I do want to go short, man. I do want to short this. I don't want to be stressed out. That's the thing. I don't want to be stressed out in the short. I mean, the bear just has like this. They don't like to follow through. So, I mean, the Bears had so many opportunities here. And they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times that they've attempted to short off of this trend line. And there's no follow through because the bulls are just aggressively buying it up, It's stressful. Yeah, I know, man. I'll just wait for the long entry because I know if this thing gets down far enough, if it gets close to where my limit is, it's highly likely that the bulls will come in there. Highly likely. It's just easier to just take the long instead of just stressing out about a short. You see what I'm talking about? See, they don't follow through. And with how bullish everything's been, I don't blame them. I don't blame them for being cautious about being the short, being a former bear. I would want to wait. I would try to take profits at the lows and just, if I still believe in the short, wait for price to come back and retest a previous area of resistance, and then re-enter a short. I wouldn't want to short the bottom of a Nasdaq move. That is just no bueno at all. All right, gold. Man, gold had me stressing out in this long, man, but I was able to make some money in all my accounts today, in all my funded accounts. I was able to make some money. Whew. Able to make some money in all my funded accounts today. So I'm happy about that. Okay. And of course, tomorrow I won't be here. Not the morning stream, but if I can get done before 1 o'clock Central, or what is it, 1:30 Central Time, I'll stream. But if not, then we'll be ready for the evening stream, and we're ready to trade the reaction on Thursday. Reaction Thursday. All right, man. Let me make sure that I got all my orders canceled on everything. Oh shit, was I in a trade? Was I in a trade? I don't think I was in a trade, but okay. I mean, I wouldn't allow today to get to anybody, because this price action has been very challenging. I mean, even the Nasdaq is not making fluent moves anymore, is chopping around. And if you're an ES trader, you might as well just go and do something else, because you already know you about to get this type of price action from the ES. You already know you're about to get that. So, what'd you miss? He says NQ hits dark pool orders and rebounds. Gold hurt my feelings today, man. Gold hurt my feelings. I mean, she came through for me after stressing me out, but she hurt my feelings. I just wanted a quick scalp, and then she turns around and does this, man. She turns around and does this crap right here. I mean, this is hurtful. I mean, after all we've been through, this is what you do to me? Should I get a short entry all the way up here looking for a scalp to the 200 EMA so I can, you know, just get some money in the account, you know? And then she does this crap, like, this shit is hurtful. And I got out of my long. I mean, this is why I really enjoy gold, because, you know, it's no bullshit. I mean, she'll give you an opportunity to make money, but you just have to follow her rules. I got out at the 200 EMA because that's the same reason why I got out in the first place, because you can see that gold is in love with this 200 EMA. She's in love. So gold just had me stressing out all freaking day, man. Like, god damn, gold. Like, work for your boy. Like, god damn. Shit. Come through for me. But and she loves that 200 EMA. So I figured, well, let me just take a short to the 200. She acted like she was going to do something about it, but man, she just kept dropping. I was like, no, that's not fair. No, that's not fair, because I was in it. All right. Yeah, the Bears ain't gonna hold this, man. You can already see that they're about to fail at this trend line, man. They're about to fail. They're about to fail at this trend line. I mean, you got so many attempts from the bears. I mean, unless the bulls just completely give this up, the bulls are already making an attempt to find support at that trend line right there. Already trying to do it. And I guess the same way that the bears, I mean, all their stops are right here. All their stops are right here. So, I mean, the bulls can tap into their stops right here. They have all this room. They have all this room for upside. They have all this room. So if you're in this short, make sure you keep your stops tight. I mean, it's 50-50 right now. I mean, there's stops on both sides of this market, but we already know which side is more likely for it to pop out. You know it's more likely for it to go higher than to go short. So just keep your stops tight on both sides. But this triangle is in a downward trend. I mean, this triangle is going down. So the bears are supposed to be winning right now, but they're not. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here it comes. Here it comes. Where's that? Oh, gold! No! Why? No! 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 Oh, gold! No! Why? No! 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 That was a very hurtful moment right there. No! 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 That was a very hurtful moment. I think anybody would feel the same way, looking for a scalp, and then gold just keeps dropping out of nowhere. Like, man, from my entry, like my entry was literally this high at 30-7, actually 38. I got in at 38. I was like, all right, man, this shit about to break, man. I'm just getting at 38. So this thing drops literally so far 16 points from my entry, man. 16 points from my entry so far. I mean, I only look for 90 ticks, but this thing dropped 16 freaking points, and I didn't even get my full 90 ticks, and that's why my feelings was just so hurt. Like, why go? Why? Why? Why would you do that? Why? Why? Damn, Cave Trade. I've never seen. You want the Nasdaq to stop you out? You want her to end the pain? You want her to end the pain? You tell the Nasdaq some. You tell her that she was like, "Oh, you're suffering right now. My price action is causing you pain." Oh, okay, nice. Oh man. Okay. So I definitely had some self-reflection on the treadmill today. I definitely do, because I took a lot of trades on gold today. Like, dude, that just like that Drake meme where he was like taking that easy setup on gold. No, I'm not gonna take that. Taking that hard setup on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that this hard setup. God dang. All my gold trades were hard setups today, man. They were probably B to C plus setups, and I skipped out on the A S plus setup on gold today. It was So we'll try our best. Well, I don't have to worry about gold until tomorrow, so I'll make sure that I look at my charts tomorrow and see if any opportunities present themselves. Yeah, we'll see if any opportunity presents itself. But all right, guys, that's it for me for this session. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we will definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.